working today with Equation at All Saints School. Equation are a Nottingham-based specialist charity that works with the whole community to reduce the impact of domestic abuse. We aim to go into secondary schools, engage with students and educate them on the dangers and consequences of certain behaviours, keeping themselves safe.
The session that we've done with the young people today has been around consent, so talking to young people around the importance of consent, the different ways that people can give and get consent within relationships. We've also been working with the young people to reflect on why it's really important to have consent within a relationship, and if consent isn't there, then the dangers that can pose in terms of legal consequences and also emotional consequences for everyone involved. Our session today links in with Nottinghamshire Police's Walk in My Shoes campaign. We know that violence against women and girls can take lots and lots of different forms, so our sessions in schools try to approach the kind of broad range of forms that can take. We had really good engagement from the pupils in today's session. We had the pupils go to one side of the room or the other based on whether they thought various statements were either true or false. They were putting lots of thoughts into giving their own answers. We did have a constructive conversation around those, and hopefully I've given them the opportunity to see an alternative perspective, and that might be something that they can then reflect on and hopefully will help shape their views going forwards.
Consent is what we really need to understand, especially when we get older and become adults. It was informative for other people who might not know as much on consent, and also for people who may be consuming stuff such as red pill content on the internet.
So I feel like a lot of young people need to learn about consent and respecting other people's boundaries. It has to be clear, consensual, and both parties consent and are happy.
The feedback's been really positive today. There was quite a lot of engagement during the session with Equation. We spoke to quite a few children afterwards as well who found it really useful and beneficial, and spoke about the fact that they'd learned quite a lot about consent and feeling safe, making sure that they understood and they were able to say yes or no in any situation.